Hi friends of Sailing Vessel Easy. Since I'm suffering from a very bad flu, you might call it man's flu, it's time to go through my video snippets and get you updated with the current Boatworks on Sailing Vessel Easy. In the beginning of February, while it was still raining and snowing outside, I started my Boatworks of this year. First of all, I carried loads of boxes and stuff and tools to the hall where Easy is located. I have really got a lot of boat projects on my mind, so I better sort them so you can follow the projects more easily in the next videos. So let's better get started. Project number one, and this is a random order, project number one will be a washing machine. Project number two will be an inverter from 12 to 230 volts. Project number three is the water maker. Number four, I want to convert our vegetable box into a freezer. Project number five will be the fitting of a deck wash pump. I'm not sure about project number six, but I'm thinking about fitting a small air conditioning unit for the aft cabin. Project number seven will be changing the berth in the aft cabin. And that's the last project for now. Project number eight will be to replace the fuel filter by a double switchable fuel filter. The best suitable place for the new washing machine is a locker in the front cabin. So I started the planning by taking some measurements. Actually, once I got all the stuff out of the locker, it doesn't look all that tiny anymore. So there should be a chance to fit a small washing machine in there. But let's take some measurements and see. So I just figured out if I want to fit the washing machine in here, I will partially have to take this beautiful cupboard apart. We'll see how that works, because before I actually buy the washing machine I will make absolutely sure that it fits in here. You see me in the middle of constructing the space for the washing machine. I took part of the locker apart and cut out a hole in the rear wall, removed the shelves and freed the space for the washing machine. This is the construction of a floorboard which will support the washing machine. It's 13 millimeters of waterproof plywood. Well, and after 2 or 3 adjustments, the floorboard for the washing machine fits nicely into position. Now everything needs to be fixed with screws. A pulley was attached to the roof of the hall, and this is how I winched the washing machine through the front hatch in the front cabin. Now I had to get it into its position. And there's the beast finally in position, weighing some 54 kilograms. And I now really have a backache. Now I need to sort out the connections for the wastewater and for the fresh water, but that's another item. Anyway, the project washing machine is slowly getting into shape. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video when I'll install a 3 kilowatt inverter.